So there's this misconception that if you're not putting a lot of money into your business, if you're not spending hundreds or thousands of dollars into your affiliate marketing business, that you cannot make money. And in this video today, I want to kind of debunk that and talk about how you can actually start making money, start your affiliate marketing business with $0. Now, this is actually very easy to do because there's a lot of different free tools that are out there right now that you can actually start building your affiliate marketing business from scratch. And then once you actually make some sales, you can take that money and reinvest into your business to go ahead, put money into maybe some branding and logos, or maybe you want to do some paid ads. But at the beginning, we're going to talk about how you can actually start with your affiliate marketing business for absolutely $0. So let's go and just jump right into it. At the core crux of your affiliate marketing business, there's three things that you really need. You're going to need a website because you're going to want to send people to a website where you can capture leads, and you're going to need an autoresponder. That's the second thing that you're going to need. And number three, you just need an affiliate product that you want to sell. So those are the only three things that you want to do, is because you got to have a product to sell in order to make money. But then you need to have a website to send people to, because you do want to build your list, because building your list is going to be very, very important for long-term success with affiliate marketing. And so you want to build your list, and I'm going to talk about how you can actually start all of this for absolutely free. So obviously, you guys know, if you've been in the affiliate marketing space for any time, you know that most of the affiliate marketing networks and products are absolutely free to join. There's ClickBank, there's Amazon Associates, there's tons of private affiliate networks, there's Warrior Plus, there's JVZoo. We could go on and on and on. And basically, you just find a quality product or service that you want to stand behind, and then you say, okay, boom, I have my product, I have my service, I have my tool that I want to sell. So once you have that done, you sign up with your network, get your affiliate link. That's one down, right? And then the next thing you want to do is you want to have a simple squeeze page or a landing page which you can send people to give them some sort of ethical bribe, something in return for their name and their email address. Now, the tool that you can use that's absolutely free to start with is called Systeme.io. Systeme.io. I actually use it in my business personally. And what you can do with this tool is you can actually create a squeeze page, create a landing page. You can even have a blog, and it's absolutely free to start with, as well as you can build your list with Systeme.io. So you can have the landing page and a list builder all in one with zero cost. So I'll definitely have a link in the description for Systeme.io. But essentially what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to utilize one of the templates that they have within Systeme.io, create a squeeze page. You do need to get some sort of ethical bribe. Now, you can create a PDF yourself. You can create a video if you want to do that. But even if you didn't want to do that at all, you could probably find something on like a site like Master Resale Rights, where you can actually buy the rights to give away a product of value. So it could be a video course, you could get a PDF or something like that. I believe some of that stuff might be free, but if it is a cost, it's probably like $5-10. You can find stuff that are like extremely cheap. But if you just want to spend $0, obviously you can just create a PDF yourself, a checklist, or just create a video. You could create a 10-minute video about whatever the subject matter is pertaining to your affiliate marketing product, because you always want to tie that into whatever you're selling. So if you're selling a course on SEO or Facebook, you want to give away some valuable information about an SEO product or about Facebook marketing or whatever the case may be. You want to tie it into that product that you're going to be selling. So you get your squeeze page built, you connect it, it has this built-in autoresponder, so you can actually start building your leads. You get your free giveaway, you create that yourself, or maybe you spend $5 on Master Resale Rights. I'll throw that link in the description as well. And now you actually have your business set up. You have your website, you have your autoresponder, and you have your affiliate marketing product. Those are really the only three things you need to actually start making money, and you can actually start doing that. So now, how do you get the traffic? So most people will tell you is, obviously you can pay to get ads, but if you have no money, then you don't want to do that, and you have to find a way to get some traffic. So the best way to get traffic if you have no money is utilizing social media. So you can use websites like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, like all of these social media sites, X, you can utilize to get traffic to your website. You can make posts, you can create content, you can make videos, you can even do blogging. There's free blogging platforms, there's article marketing platforms, there's all sorts of these Web 2.0 platforms that you can access for free, that you can actually start creating content and posts and get your message out there, and then drive people back to your actual squeeze page that people are going to opt in, give their name and email address. You give them that ethical bribe, and now you have that email address that you can then market your product to over and over again, and hopefully you make some sales. And then once you actually do make some sales, obviously you can take some of that money and reinvest into your business. You can get logos done and branding, and invest into paid ads or other tools that you might need for tracking or whatever the case may be. But you can start this business with $0. Now, the thing that you have to realize is, if you're going to be doing this for $0, then you have to realize that it's going to take some time. You're not going to just post one YouTube video or write one blog post and then all of this leads and money start flooding in. You have to be realistic and to know that it takes time if you're going to be doing it the free way. It's going to take time. So if you're not in a rush, and you build it slowly but surely. And if you do have some funds to invest into your affiliate marketing business, obviously you can accelerate your results by investing into paid ads or other tools that's going to help you build your business. So again, I just wanted to make this quick video to just kind of let you guys know that you can get started free. And those tools I'll actually leave in the description of this video. I'll also leave some affiliate marketing training for you guys, as always, in the link in the description that you guys can access. But just wanted to make this quick video for you guys that are really on a tight budget, or maybe you have no budget at all. I'll leave those links in the description for you guys so that you can get started with your business.